Hello my friends, this is Natassa Blazaki. Thank you for visiting my channel. I hope you're all staying safe and healthy. This is a flip-through video of the messy sketchbook I binded, inspired by Kaylee's Grey video tutorial as shown on Sketchbook Revival 2020. What actually this book is a junk journal with blank pages between the various pages that are suitable for sketching, watercolor painting and mixed media techniques. In the tutorial, Kaylee used the cover of an old book to bind her sketchbook. However, I decided to create one because I didn't have the heart to start tearing apart my beautiful old books. You can watch my other video where I show how I created the vintage cover. I'll leave the link below in the description area because it may be a good idea for your journal covers as well. So back to my sketchbook. I chose to decorate the cover with fabric and papers from Alice in Wonderland Scrapbooking Pad by Stamperia. I also hung some metal charms and pieces of torn fabric on the spine, and I created a very simple closure with a red wax twine that is long enough to wrap 3 times around the book. At the end of the twine, I hung the charm that I created. On the inside front cover, I created a pocket to hide pieces of paper, notes, tags, and so on. I made 3 signatures and used all the scraps I've been gathering the last 2 months from other projects, mostly by Stamperia's Alchemy and Alice in Wonderland collections. I also used some scrapbooking papers by 7 Gypsies that I believe are from previous collections. And also papers that I had used to experiment with colors, or papers on which I had mopped leftover paints and texture pastes. The blank pages I've included are mainly 300 GSM watercolor paper and 400 GSM mixed media paper. I did some collage wherever I felt the pages needed a bit more decoration, and used washi tapes to create borders on some other pages. I also included some sketches that I created recently while joining my daughter's art class on Skype. love my sketchbook because it's really messy and I totally enjoyed making it. I hope you enjoyed it too. Please give me a thumbs up for this video, and if this is your first visit to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. For more inspiration, you can browse my tutorial playlist. I'll leave the link in the description area below. I'd love to read your comments and answer any questions you may have about this project. Again, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.